Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about one of my all-time favorite skincare ingredient, retinol and retinal. And more importantly, how to use them like a pro, even if you're just starting out. Now, it's not some magical ingredient that transforms your skin overnight or erase all your fine lines and wrinkles, but when used the right way, it truly helps in softening fine lines, improving texture, and keeping your skin looking smoother and healthier over time. I'm not a dermatologist, and I always say if you are under treatment or have specific skin concerns, do check with your doctor. But after 4 years of using retinoids in all forms, creams, serums, high strength, low strength, I have learned what really works and what not to do when you're just starting out. So if you're a beginner and you want to start retinol the right way, this video is for you. So let's begin with understanding what these actually are. Retinol and retinal are both derivatives of vitamin A that help with boosting skin cell turnover, reduce fine lines, fade pigmentation, and improve texture. The difference, retinal within A actually converts faster into retinoic acid, the form that your skin actually uses. So it usually works a little faster but can be slightly stronger too. Both of these, retinol and retinal, can deliver great results. It's more about how your skin tolerates them. So alright, enough talking, let's talk about how to use it like a pro and not just as a first timer experimenting. And here are the 4 golden rules to start using this gold standard ingredient. Rule number 1, go slow and go low. Always start with the lowest concentration you can find, 0.1% or 0.2%, and apply it once a week at night. After a few weeks, you can move to twice a week and eventually every alternate night if your skin is comfortable. Rule number 2, always use it at night. You might come across some formulations that claim to be day safe, but if you're just starting out, stick to nighttime use only. That's when your skin naturally repairs itself and retinol can do its job more effectively. Also, sunlight can deactivate retinol and reduce its effectiveness. Plus, if you've been using retinol regularly, you might have noticed your skin becomes sensitive to UV exposure also. So it's best to keep it as your nighttime treatment. Rule number 3, sunscreen is non-negotiable. You know, retinol and sunscreen, they are a pair. If you're using one, you must use the other. Every single day, no excuses. Rule number 4, moisturize well, before and after if needed. Use moisturizers that are rich in ceramides and peptides. Also, you can look for ingredients like panthenol, centella asiatica, which are hydrating as well as soothing. Some of you may be able to apply retinol directly on your skin, but if your skin feels sensitive or dry, you should apply a moisturizer before applying retinol. And if that still feels irritating, you can go for sandwich method where you apply moisturizer first, then your retinol or retinal, and then move on to moisturizer again. The key here is listening to your skin. Adjust strength, frequency, and layering based on how your skin feels the next morning and the next few days. Now let's talk about a few formulations that are effective and beginner friendly. Mind you, I've used all of these in the past for a good time, so you know how it actually feels on the skin, as it all comes from real life experience and not just the brand's marketing claims. IOP Retinol Super Bounce Serum. This has 4 types of retinoids, including bioretinol and retinoid derivatives. It's gentle, hydrating, and gives a nice bounce to the skin. The brand says it's okay for day and night use, but again, stick to the night if you're new. Banish Retinol plus Ceramide Serum. I love this one. It's formulated with a special ceramide called glycosphingolipid, which helps your skin attract and hold on to moisture, keeping the barrier strong. Perfect for sensitive, extremely reactive, eczema-prone skin that usually cannot tolerate any kind of retinol formulation. If you feel it's on pricier side, you can use my coupon code to get $5 off your order. I know it's not a huge discount, but you do get a $30 gift card along with. So you're actually saving while getting credit you can use on your next Banish purchase. Celimax Retinal Shot, a retinal-based formula that's powerful yet can be gentle depending on how you use it. It's ideal for those who have already built some tolerance with retinol and want to take a step up. But even if you're new to retinoids, you can start with this. Just introduce it slowly. Begin with once a week at night and always use the sandwich method. Moisturizer, retinal, moisturizer to buffer any irritation. If your skin reacts well after a couple of weeks, increase to twice a week and then gradually move to every alternate night as your skin builds tolerance. Now, if your skin is very sensitive or you have never used retinoid ever in your life, Bare Minerals Phyto-Retinol Night Concentrate uses a plant-based retinol alternative that delivers visible results without irritation. Good Molecules Bakuchiol Oil, affordable yet soothing. Great for dry and reactive skin. True Botanicals Phyto-Retinol Cream, it's another gentle, creamy formula that's perfect for barrier support. Now, research also shows that bakuchiol, a plant-based alternative to retinol, produced similar reductions in wrinkles and hyperpigmentation as retinol in a 12-week clinical trial but with significantly fewer side effects like scaling or stinging. So even these plant-based alternatives can be your go-to if you have extremely sensitive skin, or as I said, you have never used retinoid ever in your life. And if you want something in between, look for hybrid formulations that combine retinol and bakuchiol, like the Vitamin Amazing Bakuchiol Night Cream or Paula's Choice Retinol plus Bakuchiol Blend. They balance efficacy and gentleness beautifully. A few extra things to keep in mind to make your retinol journey smoother. Do not mix exfoliating acids, AHAs, BHAs in the same routine when you're using retinol or retinal. Also, don't mix with vitamin C or other actives that can irritate your skin. You can use vitamin C or other brightening actives in the morning routine and retinoids at night. But from my own experience, when I used vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night or retinal at night, I did feel a kind of sensitivity on my skin. So if that happens to you also, it's fine to skip vitamin C altogether, or you can use vitamin C on the non-retinoid days. For example, use vitamin C twice a week on non-retinoid days and use your retinol twice a week at night, the days you are not using vitamin C. And lastly, be patient. Real visible results take time, given at least 6 to 8 weeks. So if you stick to the basics, start slow, moisturize, use sunscreen and listen to your skin, you will handle retinol like a pro even when you are a beginner. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. All the products that I've mentioned in this video are linked below in the description where you can directly go and buy. If you are planning to start retinol or retinal soon, let me know in the comments which product out of these, or maybe you have something else you're eyeing on, or if you would like me to do a deeper comparison between any of the mentioned products in the video. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.